Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this short video, I'm showing how to put the Sinclair Spectrum project on the board and how you can transform the board into a very simple and crude Sinclair Spectrum implementation. You can download the design freely from my blog. I'll put a link in the description. And you can open in Vivado and you have access to all the source code. In the same time, you can just program the bitstream on the FPGA or in the SPI memory if you want to boot automatically. So without any delay, straight to it. We have the JTAG cable connected, VGA monitor, inserted the USB in this port on the top port, obviously power, and the dip switches are in JTAG position. Right, so now we open the tools and we program the card. So I'm going to start Vivado and I'm going to open the design files, the project files from the directory where it got expanded. So open project, and go where I have it. Okay, and we select this. Obviously on your computer is going to be in a different place, but so you have here all the source files, right? You can see everything here, but let's assume we just want to program the board. We don't want to understand now the file structure and all the design. So you go here, open Hardware Manager, and open Target, Auto Connect, and you should see here the FPGA and the configuration memory, the SPI memory. Now I'm going to remove the SPI memory because I want to show you how to add it in case it's not visible. It may happen. Now, let's go very quick, program the device, program the FPGA via JTAG. So we point where the files are again. I created here a directory in the zip. When you expand the zip, it's going to be a directory called demo bitstream. So you have a quick directory where to get the bitstream. So just select that and you hit program. And you will see that the done LED got high and I'm pointing to the monitor. Yeah, let's start it. And I'm going to press space. Yeah, so it's working. Now, if we remove the power now, or we press the prog button, the board is going to forget what we programmed. So what we want to make it persistent. Let's say we want to make it persistent. So in case you don't see here the SPI memory, we need to add it. So you click on the FPGA, click right, add configuration memory device. And we need to tell the tools what type of memory we have. So we scroll down here and you see an Infineon. Yeah, is this one which has a 0 at the end here. So we select this one and we say OK. And he's asking, do you want to program? Yes, I want to program. Now we need to point where this file is. In the same directory called demo bitstream, there is a file called Sinclair v1 MCS. We select that file. We say erase, blank check, program, verify, and we say OK. So now it's going to program the SPI memory. And next time when we start, it's going to start automatically. So if we remove the power, it's not going to forget the configuration. So you will have a Spectrum computer next time when you power on. Okay, it takes a bit. Okay, so after this is finishing, we need to, now the board is in JTAG mode, we need to put it back into SPI mode and power cycle or press the prog button. When we press this button, prog button, the configuration is erased from the FPGA. So we're kind of forcing a boot. So I'm just going to put it here into SPI mode. Yeah. And just going to press prog and we just wait. And we'll see that the board is actually booting. And see. Bang. Good. Okay, so this is it. I hope you enjoyed and I hope it's clear. Now, if you want to go a little bit deeper, it's going to be another video where I'm dissecting all the files and everything. This is far from perfect, but it should work out of the box exactly like I described. So I hope you enjoyed and I shall see you in the next one.